Hey, there's Kai and Cole!
So, oh, okay. Okay.
Where are our mechs, Kai? You called them in, right?
Yeah, I might have put a pin in the wrong place on the map.
How wrong?
Barely any wrong. It's like an inch away on the screen. Come on, Cole. We can get them on foot.
Oh my god. They lost
This
their
should only
mechs.
take a minute.
Kai was never such a good friend of technology. Yep, and never was good at it. So, since the chapter 1 was really short, why don't we do chapter 2, Ninjas Assemble? Let's do this. So we are in Ninjago City North, and we have to get to the mechs. Let's go to it. Okay, so I have to follow these. Oh, bad guys.
Hey,
they have hostages.
Stop.
Let's attack. Let's see what we've got here.
Commandant's forces.
Show them your moves, Cole. Remember what Master Root taught us about switching our attack styles, Kai?
It's not been long, but I've missed fighting you guys.
Okay.
I like to hug things out, but in your case, I'll make an exception. Thanks, ninjas. I'd help you, but I'm petrified.
Come on, Kai, help me out. Okay, we got this skyward drug. No, this is the stinging bee. It's the stinging bee.
Jelly sub!
Oh, a jelly sub. I hate those things. I think there was a set that came. I'm gonna put it right here on screen. Yeah. I think. Okay, what do I do? Okay, I hold.
Yeah, how about
Oh, I
stacking
remember.
meat?
We can
Awesome,
build
action.
things.
Or
So
something
sure, I think it was
smash this
some
map.
kind of a. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
some kind of a.
That might be better.
So who's here? Oh, okay.
I'm cranking it up.
Okay, I just have to rotate. Oh, it's like a crossbow. It's like a crossbow. Oh, that jelly sub is really dead. Okay, so I just gotta
Nice
jump right
work, Cole. You know me, I love to spin the discs.
there. Okay, so what do I do here?
Hey,
Some crabs. There's
Hey, Lloyd.
Lloyd. And the mechs are all the way down there. Come on. Oh, it doesn't seem that hard. Doesn't seem that hard.
Oh man, the mechs are all the way over there.
Okay, so
Yeah, look
no
on the
Jackie
bright
reaches
side.
the
Master
ninja.
Root always saying
So
we
I
should get
think
more
since this is
exercise.
glowing, it has to do something. Oh, so if it glows, we have to build. Oh, remember that. If it glows, we have to build. Nice.
Cole!
It's like one of those spy things you get. So, each character has up to 4 abilities. These are shown beneath your hearts. New obstacles will show you which ability to use. Your character may not have the ability, but another character might. Okay, okay. So, press A. Okay, that's a hammer, so it should be Cole. For Kirby Morrow! So, if you haven't know, he recently passed away last year,
Did you
so
see that landing?
yeah, he made my childhood. One of my favorite characters is Cole. Yeah, alongside with Jay and well, all of the ninja. I like all of them. They're just so cool. Okay, we got the Skyward Dragon. I love the Skyward Dragon. Like Lloyd said, I'm never getting tired of it. I will never get tired of it. Kai's with his double katanas is super fast. I didn't know he was that
Only a few
fast.
left standing.
Okay, oh, I hate when these guys use shield. It's so annoying. Psych. I really see Psych in 2022.
Think we're tough guys, huh?
Yeah. Didn't you see what we just did to those other guys?
Yeah, exactly.
kinda
We are
crushed
the
them.
tough guys.
That was rhetorical, and you know it.
Skyward Dragon, baby. Let's go. 30 combo, 31 combo. Beat that. I hate this flying things. Why isn't the thing of okay? More of those. I think there is some kind of piranhas. Okay, more fighting. I love fighting. It's one of my favorite things. Well, I mean, in games. Oh, I'm fighting a minifigure I have. I have like this, I don't know, the pufferfish guy. Because I have the water strider. So yeah, I have a couple of these. No, I have 2 of them. Hey, you never hurt Cole. Boom. Kai, I'm here to support you. Or the
Wow
other
to
way.
the ow, sweet flurry.
Oh, okay. These guys have cannons now. There you go. Okay, I got a heart.
Hey,
No, why are they bullying him?
knock it off! And get down there! My mom gave me that helmet. They're trying to reach their mechs! Stop them!
Aw, that's bullying, guys. Okay, so some glowing stuff. No, why am I kicking Cole? No! Cole! No! Cole! No!
Hello there.
So after defeating a lot of enemies, trying to walk through every single phase, we were this close to getting the mechs. Okay, okay, glowing stuff, you know what to do. Glowing stuff, we build. Oh, forget about the build and let's start fighting. These guys start to get annoying. Oh, those are people. What the heck? Okay, I'm a walking barrel. Okay, no one can see me. Come on, Cole. I'm gonna... Buy me some time. Please buy me some time. I cannot leave just Cole. There we go. So, I look like a gonk droid. Yeah, it looks like a gonk droid. I think that's basic. How do I get this thing off? Okay, just press A. Oh, sorry, Cole. Sorry. Oh, come here. Come here to get some life. Okay, so now we just have to do the wall thing. Okay, let's get out of here. More explosions. Okay, checkpoint. And yeah, we have to take the long route because they destroyed the bridge. Come on, Jay. Please have a little consideration with the people underground.
right?
We're not
I
actually
think you just
underground.
gotta be carried away. I'd like to get carried away in my mech, but I can't because you parked them in the wrong place.
Yes, guy. Well, this is making me more time for the
That building
video.
looks close to collapse, but maybe we can find...
Thanks, guy, for the help. Oh, it's one of the tough guys. Why isn't it detecting? Okay, we're missing only one guy. They're still firing at us. Oh, there are the mechs! There are the mechs! Oh! You got it. Oh, okay. Oh, so he wants the fish. So probably if I get the fish... I think I remember this
That
part.
thing destroyed my 5th favorite sushi place. Okay, now this is personal. Let's reel it in.
Oh, yes. I was right. So we're gonna make like a... I'm gonna destroy this. To make like a fishing rod. Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna rotate and we're gonna get the fish and we're gonna make the piranha explode. So that way.
Come on, fishy. You take the bait.
So it took the bait.
Oh, poor piranha's
Exploded.
falling to pieces.
So more pieces to
might be
build.
able to use.
Yes, sir. There we go. So it's a video game, so you probably can double jump. Oh, why can I do it? Why isn't it working?
Mechs
Okay,
must be just ahead. One last push. You mean pull?
there we go. So we need coal. 3, 2, 1, explode, baby! I love how this slow-mo thing goes. There are the mechs. The mechs! Let's go!
Well, come join the party, guys. What are you waiting for?
Yeah. Where are you?
Right here, bro.